Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Sophia AI account, which is a social media ad creator as well as a text to speech AI as well as a video editor or a design maker online AI powered by the artificial intelligence, of course. And now to log into your Sophia AI account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address aisophia.com and turn enter, and you'll be directed to the home page of the Sophia AI. You can see this is an awesome AI which powers almost many kinds of so many kinds of their platforms or services provided by the solo sites or solo AI instruments. With that being said, guys, you can see you can use the Sophia AI to generate awesome AI ad copy powered by ChatGPT to generate some text to speech in one over 135 plus languages. You can design your posts, create videos with the voiceover powered by Adobe Express. So you can see this is the powerful AI. And now, in order to log into your account, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the login button available over here. Simply click on that login, and then you'll be directed to the home page or the login page of the Sophia AI or the AI Sophia. So in order to log in, simply enter your email address over here with which you had created an account on the Sophia AI, and after that enter your password over here, guys. But if you forgot your password, guys, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says forgot your password. If you click on that button, you will be taken to a procedure where you will be able to retrieve your AI Sophia account's password. And with that being said, guys, after entering your email address and the password, simply click on the login button available over here, and then you'll be signed into your Sophia AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.